それでですね、ちょっとここで、次のプレゼンが実は英語のプレゼンになりますので、運営サイドの方からアナウンスが入ります。しばしお待ちください。
すいません。ありがとうございました。ありがとうございます。
でアナウンスはですね、実は IVS のローンチパッドの裏方を支えている素晴らしい若手の勇くんです初めてステージデビューしてます。
すいません。同時通訳について一つだけアナウンスさせてください。会場にいる方限定ですが、次のピッチ英語になりますので同時通訳使用可能になっています。座席の裏に貼ってある、Zoom の QR コードを読み取っていただいて、参加後下のタブに通訳というボタンがあります。その通訳ボタンを押して日本語を選択してください。イヤホンの着用各自お願いします。
音は出さないでくださいということです。
はい、お願いします。失礼します。
はい、ありがとうございます。さらにですね、今 SDGs 系のプレゼンがありましたが、テーマが続きます。で、次のテーマは何かというとですね、実は僕ももう10年ぐらいベジタリアンやってるんですけど、よく言われる面白い話として、アメリカ人が車を諦めるよりもビーフを諦めた方が実は空気が良くなるというですね、そういう面白いデータが出るくらいです。お肉はもちろん和牛とか美味しいんですが、やっぱり環境に、おける問題というのが世界中で今、いろいろ指摘されているんですが、そういった、肉ではなくてですね、植物肉、代替肉での、テクノロジーで、世界に挑んでいこうという、次はですね、台湾のベンチャーがプレゼンをいたします。そしてそのプレゼンターはこの方です。
I was a PhD student at Cornell, and as a chemical engineer, focusing on climate-related research for almost 10 years. I got awarded the Commercial Fellow, so I got a chance to interview more than 100 companies in the climate-related industry. After those chatting with those companies, I found out like food is something I'm really excited about. Food is so practical. Alternative food is a quite interesting opportunity for me because I can leverage my experience in this field to design new technology and new solution.
Jane, welcome to Kyoto. Thank you for coming.
Yeah, thanks for the invitation.
I actually have to tell everyone here, because this, actually I should switch to Japanese. で今回のですね、プレゼンテーションは実は食べ物が変わるときでその美味しさを伝えたいということで、どうしてもですね、画面では伝えきれないので、今回に限りまして、審査員の皆さんの方々には、今日プレゼンするものを実際に事前に提供させていただきましたということなので、審査はこのプレゼンプラスその味も含めた審査ということになります。画面で見てる皆さんはそこまでは分からないと思うんですが、そういう今回試みがあったということをぜひ留意いただければと思います。Alright, Jin-Yu, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
それではローンチパッドスタート。
Konnichiwa. I'm Jian-Yu Huang. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Lypid. Lypid is a US food tech startup focusing on alternative fat. We bring visible, fatty meat to the industry. Fat is the key ingredient why meat tastes so delicious. So imagine the last time you eat meat, it's the fat that give you the taste, the smell, and satisfaction. However, the challenge is there is no visible juicy fat in the plant-based meat sector. And this is something we are going to address. Let's look at about the current solution right now. All the plant-based oils are mostly liquid, and it performs far from animal fat when you start to cook the product. We did our research in Cornell, and this is our PhD research that we find out a way that we can turn liquid oils to solid texture, leveraging physics. This is our innovation, PhytoFat. It's a vegan fat line that performs like animal fat, but you can see that the main ingredient is just vegetable oils, like olive oil, canola oil, but it's solid in texture. And we won the World Food Innovation Award earlier this year in UK. This is a big recognition to our technology that how a small ingredient can actually flip the whole industry. Behind the scene, we are doing microencapsulation. So we have a way to encapsulate the plant oils, and then we structure it into a solid texture, and afterward, we make a whole cut meat leveraging this fat. So let's see the performance. You can see that PhytoFat has a pretty high melting point that even cooking under temperature like 200 degrees Celsius, it's still stable. And with this key innovation, we hold the key to unlock the potential of alternative meat. So today I'm presenting the world's first plant-based pork belly to you. Listen to this. This is the future of meat. It's not only delicious, sustainable, it's also more healthy. We reduce 30% of calories and saturated fat in this product, comparing with pure bacon. So it's better than the animal version of it. And we bring this with different chefs and restaurants to the table. We partner with chefs to create amazing dish and different cuisines. And we all know that pork belly is a very popular dish that everyone likes as a bacon, as a braised pork belly, as a barbecue, as a kakuni. So Lypid is the leader in bringing this juicy, visible fat alternative to the market. And comparing with all the other players, we have more diverse applications that we can enable. The whole cut meat. So it's not only just patties. There are a lot of different things we can do. And right now, Lypid's products is serving more than 500 stores across in Taiwan and US. And we are excited to bring it to more countries, like Japan. Japan is actually the leader in the alternative meat. Do you know that? Japanese consume twice the amount of plant-based meat compared with global average. So there are a lot of different opportunities here. And the way that Japanese cook dish is very different from Western dish. So we need to engineer the plant-based meat for this type of cooking style. Alternative markets still only slice 2% of the traditional meat. So there are still a lot of opportunity to grow. And same for Lypid. Fat is not only just in meat, not only in pork belly. Pork belly is our starting point, but we can do like Wagyu beef, sashimi, all kind of seafood, and more important, like baking industry, like confectionery industry. And this year, we got invited into COP27 because do you know which industry emit the most greenhouse gas today? It's actually food industry. It's not energy, not transportation, it's food. Food industry is a big part of the climate tech that we have to address. So we got invited over there and share how food tech can bring food more sustainable, but tasty at the same time. So today I want to invite you to join Lypid, to be part of this food revolution. Thank you.
Thank you, James.